Hello, my friends. Today I'm going to be using the leftovers from the Dutch pour I did the other day, and I'm going to be doing a ring pour with them. If you watched that video, you saw that I was attempting to use a different pouring medium, so when I used the Artist Loft white as my base coat, it wouldn't sell up and take over the colors. And it seemed to work. I used some glue in there. And so I have some leftovers, and I don't want to do another Dutch pour, same thing, so I thought I would use them on a small canvas. I noticed the drippings from the Dutch pour looked really good. The lines maintained themselves, nice crisp lines, so I thought, why not? So here we go. I'm going to start with this beautiful kind of a teal green. Like that next to the copper. The whole thing kind of looked like copper patina to me. So I think this could be very pretty as a ring pour. Do have a little bit of this base coat I had made, kind of a blue-gray. I'll just pour all that in there. And I can't even tell you what colors these are because I custom mixed all of them. But they're basically blue, green, and copper. Okay. Maybe looks like 2 layers of each will be about it. There's a very happy bird right outside my window. I can see him. Very cute. I think I did have a little more of this copper. Top it off with the blue. Call it done. Sometimes leftover paints just create the best things. You never know. So I think that looks like enough paint for this little canvas, 10 by 10. I always start my pour from the opposite side of the mess where I pour it in. I don't know why, but it's just what I do. And here we go. Forgot my turntable. I have this lovely turntable that was sent to me by a viewer who has become a dear friend. And I never remember to bring it over here and use it. Until I'm turning my wrist awkwardly, then I think it would have been a good idea. It's a little runnier than I like a ring pour to be. A ring pour consistency in general, but it's not bad. We'll see. Okay. I really like that, the copper next to that kind of teal color. That's really pretty. All right. I really like ring pours for pet portraits. I love to nestle a pet in the center there. they make a really interesting background. So, and I often do that. Interesting. It looks like an aerial view of an island or something. What to do with this? I like this area here, the contrast of it. I have to reshape that very straight line. Now I don't like this little jog there, so oh, I like all the lacing that's happening there. It's neat. Just run that off. Okay, well, I can certainly see this as a background for an embellishment. It's not really a typical ring pour anymore, but it looks underwater. You could certainly see a sea turtle swimming at you through there. Everyone seems to love sea turtles. Wow, I like this, my friends. This color combination is pretty wonderful. And I'm very happy with the little lacing effect going on there. I'm calling this one good. Bring you down for a closer look at it. Isn't that a fun effect there? I like that, and the copper is really pretty against that teal, I think. Yeah. It's definitely, I mean, it's pretty on its own, but you know me, I like to embellish, so I definitely see this one as a background for something. Okay, my friends, well, thanks for watching, and I look forward to painting with you again next time.